Durable and flexible watering solutions elevate every garden task with ease and reliability, combining lightweight design with powerful performance for year-round use. Best Expandable Garden Hose 75 feet options deliver exceptional flexibility, kink resistance, and convenient storage for effortless watering in yards of all sizes. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Flexi 75-foot Garden Hose 75 feet. The Flexi 75-foot garden hose is designed for users who want maximum convenience without sacrificing durability. Its expandable design allows the hose to grow up to 3 times its original length once water pressure is applied, then quickly contract back to a compact size when the water is turned off, making storage effortless. The solid 3/4-inch brass connectors feel sturdy and provide a secure, leak-resistant connection to standard outdoor taps. What really stands out is the 3750D elastic outer fabric combined with 4 layers of latex, which offers strong protection against punctures, sharp edges, and everyday wear. Despite being lightweight, the hose is built for heavy-duty use and is endurance tested for up to 2,000 cycles while handling water pressure up to 12 bar. The included 8-pattern rotating spray nozzle adds versatility, allowing smooth switching between gentle watering and stronger spray modes, all while maintaining a comfortable grip during extended use. Number 2. Pocket Thumb Garden Hose 75 feet. The Pocket Thumb Garden Hose 75 feet is a popular choice for homeowners looking for a compact and innovative watering solution. Known as the original hose that grows, this model expands significantly when water flows through it, then shrinks back down once drained, eliminating the bulk and stiffness of traditional hoses. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry around the yard, even for longer watering sessions, and it stores neatly in small spaces without tangling. The flexible construction allows smooth movement around corners, plants, and outdoor furniture without kinking or dragging. Backed by an impressive portfolio of worldwide patents, this hose represents a proven concept that many users trust for everyday garden tasks. Whether you are watering plants, washing your car, or cleaning outdoor areas, the Pocket Thumb Garden Hose delivers practical performance with a focus on simplicity, ease of use, and space-saving convenience. Number 3. Flexi 4-inch Garden Hose 75 feet. The Flexi 4-inch Garden Hose 75 feet offers a reliable and user-friendly solution for everyday outdoor watering needs. Like other Flexi models, it automatically expands to its full length under standard water pressure and contracts once the water is turned off, making it extremely easy to store. The hose is equipped with strong 3/4-inch brass connectors that provide a solid, leak-resistant fit with most outdoor faucets. Its 3750D elastic outer fabric, paired with a 4-layer latex core, delivers impressive resistance against punctures, thorns, and abrasions, helping extend the hose's lifespan. Despite its durable build, the hose remains lightweight and easy to maneuver around the yard. It is tested to withstand water pressures up to 12 bar and a wide temperature range, ensuring dependable performance in different weather conditions. Overall, this hose balances flexibility, strength, and convenience for regular household use. Number 4. J&B 3750D Garden Hose 75 feet. The J&B 3750D Garden Hose 75 feet is built with durability and reliability as top priorities. Featuring robust 3/4-inch brass connectors and a multi-layer latex core, this hose is designed to deliver leak-free performance even under demanding conditions. Its ability to handle water pressure up to 12 bars and higher than average temperatures makes it suitable for a wide range of outdoor tasks, from garden watering to car washing. The expandable design allows the hose to grow significantly when in use and shrink back for compact storage, reducing clutter and preventing tangles. Weighing under 3.5 pounds, it is easy to carry and maneuver, even during longer jobs. A notable advantage is the lifetime warranty, which adds confidence and long-term value to the purchase. Overall, the J&B 3750D combines strength, convenience, and customer-focused support in a well-rounded garden hose option. Number 5. HydroTech Garden Hose 75 feet. The HydroTech Garden Hose 75 feet is an excellent option for users who value lightweight handling and precise control. Weighing significantly less than traditional hoses, it is easy to lift, carry, and store, making it ideal for daily outdoor use. The thick latex liner adds durability by protecting the hose from wear and tear, especially at connection points where damage often occurs. Its heavy-duty brass valve with flow control shutoff allows you to manage water output accurately, helping reduce waste and improve efficiency. A nylon connector provides a secure, rust-resistant seal at the spigot, minimizing leaks and maintaining steady water flow. Additionally, the built-in strain relief guard improves flexibility at the connector, reducing stress and extending the hose's lifespan. With its combination of lightweight, solid construction, and thoughtful design features, the HydroTech Garden Hose delivers reliable performance for a variety of outdoor tasks. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon